We are gonna open up and change tire. Here's the tools you got: the jack, tire iron, jack spinner. Get your e-brake. Open up your jack. Okay, so you want to get your jack in. There's a metal piece right there, and that is where, just feel it, get it lined up. Getting the tire covers off is a little bit of a pain. You got to be careful. You can use cloth, that's what they tell you to. You just got a reef on it. And the final step is just giving it a good kick, or hitting it with a hammer or a sludge. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, thanks.